Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert here at the Milwaukee Tool headquarters with Jeff, who is one of the product managers. You've got a brand new hammer drill. Tell me about this tool.
With this new M18 Fuel hammer drill, it's going to be the most powerful drill in the industry. With that added power under load to drill even the largest holes into the densest materials. With that being said, we didn't compromise on size. So this is going to be the most compact drill in its class, really to get that better access into all those confined spaces, to make sure you've got a super versatile drill that can really do it all.
You've got a clutch obviously here that's typical in a lot of your lines there, but then that hammer drill portion of it where you dial it all over gives you the ability to drill into really dense material. I see you've got an additional handle here that is great for general drilling and control. Now Jeff, I want you to talk about the feature that's on this cordless hammer drill that is brand new, and it has to do with control and safety. What is it?
Yeah, so safety is one of our biggest focuses here at Milwaukee Tool, and so this hammer drill is equipped with an auto stop protection mode for that enhanced safety. So almost everyone that's used a drill can sympathize with a time when you're drilling a hole and it tries to bind or wrench out of your hand.
Right, a quick jerk like that.
Exactly. Right. So we knew that we needed to remove that from the equation, but make sure it's the best reacting so that you can get your job done, and this will shut down before disaster strikes.
But you also spent some time, you mentioned to me that the engineers worked really hard so that you don't get nuisance triggers, right? In other words, sometimes you'll be going through some dense material where the tool has to work hard and you've got a very powerful tool, but it kind of knows the difference between burnt toast and a fire,
right,
to use the smoke alarm analogy.
Sure. Yeah, the sensor technology in this is great in that it really senses when to shut off and when to let the tool do its job.
Okay, and the other thing with this is with that M18 line, that battery can be used in a whole host of tools that you guys make.
We're upwards of 250 tools on the M18 line now.
And that number keeps growing. All right, if you'd like more information about this new hammer drill from Milwaukee Tool, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Lou.